Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we're fixing the problem. OBS uses too much CPU. This issue can significantly affect the performance of your computer during streaming or recording, causing lag, stuttering, or even crashes. First solution, change your OBS output settings. Go to File, Settings, click on Video, and change your resolution from 1080 to 720p, FPS from 60 to 30 FPS. Next, click on Output. Now from here, for output mode, click on Advanced and change your bitrate. You can lower your bitrate to reduce CPU load. Next solution, change the encoder settings. If you're using X264 video encoder, which is a software based and heavily relies on your CPU, consider switching to a hardware encoder like NVENC for NVIDIA graphic cards or AMF VCE for AMD cards. Hardware encoders rely on your GPU instead of CPUs, and it will reduce CPU load. Remember to apply and click on OK. Another tip is to close unnecessary applications while streaming or recording. Go to Windows Search, type in background apps. From here, close any application that is unnecessary for you. Next solution, don't forget about the importance of scene complexity. Every source and scenes require processing power. Simplify your scenes by removing any scenes that is unnecessary, and also consider to disable preview. If that doesn't work, go to File and open Settings again. Go to Advanced tab. From here, consider to adjust process priority. Change it to above normal or high. This will tell your operating system to prioritize OBS over other applications, which can help ensure smoother performance. However, use this setting cautiously, as it can make other applications slower or less responsive. Last solution, don't forget to keep your OBS graphic drivers and operating system up to date is crucial. And there you have it. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment below. Thank you.